This is a compressed archive from Disk Doubler, an old Mac utility. You need a legacy Mac or specific unarchiver to open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's expand it. Don't close the guide if the DD file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high success rate method designed for deep format errors. You are dealing with a DD file, which originates from the uncommon file family of formats. This file utilizes the specific encoding mandated by raw disk image. A DD file is a disk image, often a raw sector-by-sector copy of a storage device. It's commonly used for backups, forensic analysis, or creating exact replicas of hard drives, USB drives, or other media. These images preserve the original file system, boot sector, and all data, making them suitable for archival purposes and system recovery. The DD format typically contains a direct binary representation of the source disk. It lacks inherent compression or metadata, resulting in a file size equivalent to the original disk's capacity. Mounting or restoring a DD image requires specialized software capable of interpreting the raw data and reconstructing the file system. The DD format has primary linkage to the Disk Image Mounting and Restoration application by Gilles Volant. The file's visual data is accessible, but requires specialized software for metadata reading. Windows lacks native support, so proper access requires tools built for older systems. First, use Disk Utility. If on a Linux Unix system, use the DD command line utility to copy and manage the raw disk image. Next, use Disk Imager. If on Windows, use a disk imaging application, e.g. WinImage, OSFMount, to mount the raw image. Finally, check integrity. Use the Disk Utilities check function to verify the image's integrity. Keep your skills sharp, and thanks for learning with me. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.